If you're looking to create a new ads account in your Facebook Business Manager, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. So let's dive in. So let's jump into the left-hand side of our homepage on Facebook. You will see now it says see more, and we're going to look for Ads Manager. Alternatively, you can look for adsmanager.facebook.com and you will end up right over here. Now, of course, you can go up to the top over here and you will see your business portfolios as well as your accounts. Now, what you can do is you can create a new portfolio and thereafter you can create an ad account. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to use this account just for an example. And we are now going over to the left-hand side. You'll see this menu and you are going to look for all tools. And once you're in there, you will now look for business settings. Now, once you're in business settings, you can just select the business that you would like to have this ad account for. And over here, you can do a number of things, including going down to accounts. Under accounts, you'll see pages and then add accounts. You'll click on that. And right here on the right-hand side of the screen, you can click on add. And here you can create a new ad account. Of course, you will have to add in some details there. And once you're done, you'll have a brand new ad account.